Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing a chain. It's worn out, time to put a new one on. The really cool thing about SRAM is you can use pretty much any chain you want with the Eagle system. So today we're going from an NX chain, and I'm going to be putting a GX chain on. A little better quality, lasts a little longer. You can go all the way up to the XO1, etc. You can get colored chains, whatever you feel like doing. Price goes up, but with the price going up also goes up the lifespan of that chain. So today we're going up a step. We're going to throw on a new chain. Stick around. Thanks for watching. Some of the tools you'll need for this are a new chain, master link pliers, chain breaker, and some gloves. First thing to do is we're going to have to locate our master link, and the master link has an arrow on it. The arrow shows which way the chain is going to be moving when you're putting load on it and you're climbing. So just make sure the arrow points the proper direction that the chain is going to be rotating. Now take your master link pliers, go up on the chain, and for this we're just going to squeeze the pliers together, and now the chain's free. If you wiggle the master chain just a little bit, eventually she'll break free. Okay, so I have my GX chain and my power lock connector. Now I like to spread the chain out, start it relatively the same, and then run the whole length side by side to make sure I'm going to break this chain at the right point. So I go down, so go there, so I'm going to end up breaking the chain right, where's my finger? Right here. That's where I'm going to make my break. Here we go. Any chain breaker will work. You don't need anything fancy. It's the little baby that came out. Just undo it. This off. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so I started with my bike in the smallest rear cog. So put that over there. And run this back here. Okay, and now we're going to make the final connection with the master link. Again, we want to be thinking about which way this drivetrain is going to be going in motion. So we're pedaling this way, so that means the chain is going to be coming over the top, down and back. So point the arrow towards the back in this case, and this chain. And it just slides the part of the power lock just slides right into your chain where you broke the link. Okay? And we get these two to kind of line up with each other. Go past them a little bit. Sorry if it's hard to see. Hard to see for me too. Okay. There. She's sitting. They're connected. Now we just use the pliers, open them up, and we're done. Pliers. Okay, that's it. You hear a thud or click of some sort, that means they're locked in. You can check, make sure they look good. They do. Here's our master link that we just installed right here. So you line this bolt up with this larger hole, right, for either side, for both sides of this. Then we take our master link pliers, right, and we go up around two sides of the master link, right? Just get it in there. Okay. Then you can take two hands and spread these levers apart as hard as you can, and that thing will click in to the smaller position to the right. The other way you can do this is just hop on your bike, push your crank down hard, and that'll lock it as well. Well, that's how you install a chain on your bike using the existing chain as a guide. I hope you learned something. Hope it was helpful. If you get a chance, go out, ride that bike, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.